स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll talk all about the placement through ILS Law College Pune and the detail about the admission procedure, the seat availability, cutoff and the campus. You can watch our previous video and here we'll talk all about the placement. So stay tuned with me. And friends, as you know, it is ranked amongst the top law college in country, which is established in 1924. And from more than 9 decades, it is one of the premier education institute offers the quality education in legal studies. एंड फ्रेंड्स, अगर बात करें प्लेसमेंट की, इफ़ यू आर इन ILS देन आपको चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ डेडिकेटेड प्लेसमेंट काउंसिल विच इज़ नोन एज ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल, जो थ्रू आउट द ईयर आपको ओवरऑल प्रिपेयर करती है फॉर द रिक्रूटमेंट एंड विच हैज़ द मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स लाइक to organize the campus interviews for final year students with industries, law firms, organization from all over India, and the second one to prepare students to face the campus interviews by arranging the training, personal interviews, group discussions through professional trainers, and it also provides the requisite training to students in soft skills. And friends, even if you have some questions regarding the placement, तो यहाँ हम बात करेंगे alumni की. ILS has illustrious alumni who become the torch bearers of the ILS tradition, and these alumni includes the 3 former Chief Justice, judges of various high courts, 2 former Advocate General, the member of Bar Council of India as well as various states, former Deputy Prime Minister, former Governor of Maharashtra, 3 Chief Ministers, the social activists, teachers, and there are many more legends who started their journey through ILS. So let's talk about the recruiters, and these are the past recruiters who each year take parts in the placement cell. These all are the top listed law firms, advocates and organizations, some of the banking sectors also, such as the Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas and Company, the one of the oldest law firms in country. Here also comes Desai and Devanji law firms, the Dua Associates, Edu Legal, J Sagar Associates, India Law Service, Khaitan and Company. It is also one of the oldest law firms of country. Lakshmi Kumaran and Sridharan. Some of the organizations like Aditya Birla Group, Bajaj Auto, Bio Urja, BMR Business Solutions, Bajaj Allianz Finance, Deloitte, FinIQ, Godrej. Some of the banking sectors like HDFC, ICICI Prudential, and there are many more organizations who takes the parts in recruitment cell in each year. So don't worry about the placement, and after completing the course, you can get employment in these all firms where you will get the highest package, which is at 8 to 9 lakh per annum, average stand at 6 to 8 lakh per annum, and the lowest package started at 4 to 5 lakh per annum. And friends, it is just the initial package. Here students also get internship in all these firms, and once you had the experience in the relevant field, you will get more than these numbers. So friends, with respect to career scope, यहाँ आपको चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं. It has the tremendous opportunity and there is a vast career scope in legal program. So put the strength in your resume, जहाँ ILS का नाम ही काफी है. So friends, if you wanna pursue your graduation or post graduation in legal program, then your aim should be ILS, and for that you have to crack MH Law CET. And here are some more recruiters such as Mahindra Finance, KPMG, Mindcrest Pune, Bajaj Auto Pune, Nishit Desai Associates. So friends, overall, if you are in ILS, then regarding the placement, here you will get 100%. So let's prepare for MH Law CET. Join Maneuver online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional, full course. Here you can also attend our live lectures where you will get all this stuff as complimentary. So call on 8828581455, or you can simply visit at maneuveredu.com/lawentrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. So friends, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get all updates regarding law entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.